Hello, super students. This is Perini, and I would like to say hello from the English Super Sisters team. I would also like you to say hello to Charis.
Hello, super students. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, Charis. How are you today?
I'm very well. I did a lot of activities today.
Oh my, what did you do today?
I went to the shops and I went to the college. I did so many things I can't even remember.
Oh my goodness. I think you must be quite exhausted. Are you?
I am. I'm ready to go to bed shortly.
Oh no, it's time to have some fun.
Maybe it's time to have a cup of coffee.
Well, now that we have been speaking about a lot of two, today I would like, and I think Charis agrees with me, to speak to you about when and how to use the word to. T-O. What a small little word, but what a big meaning. And we really don't know where to use it. We're going to try to make it as simple as we possibly can. What do you think, Charis?
Yes, I think to is a little word, but a very important one, and can be difficult to understand when to use it.
You know how many twos I've heard both you and I say in the last few minutes?
Probably half a dozen, easily.
Yes. Well, to make a long story short, where and when are we going to use our twos? To is also a preposition, which means it is where to go, to a place. It's a function, a movement, an action, a condition towards a place, a person, a thing. We need to use to before that. Mm-hmm. Function, movement, action, condition, towards a thing or towards a place or a person. Does that make sense?
Yes, I think that sums it up in a very easy to understand way.
In an idiom, we would say in a nutshell.
In a nutshell.
Yes. Well, I would like to share my screen with you. One moment. Can you see the screen?
Oh, yes, I can. Very much. Thank you.
Oh, look what I see. EnglishSuperTeachers.business.site. What is that, Charis?
That's the website where people can learn how to get in touch with us, watch more of our videos, and also learn more about our teaching classes online.
That is correct. You're a good student.
Thank you.
Just making sure you remembered. I was going to mention it too. So I hope, students, you do remember that. Charis remembered EnglishSuperTeachers.business.site. What a beautiful name. Easy to remember as well. Anyway, going back to to. All right. Charis, could you read that for me, please?
Yes, it would be my pleasure. I want to learn English, to travel to New York, to study, and to become a doctor, to help people.
What do you see here, Sharis?
Well, it's helping me put what I want to do, my activities, into a correct format by
Mhm,
saying, instead of I want learn English, I want to. It's something I want to do.
mhm.
I
And
want to
as
also travel, go places, and I want to do something, which is become a doctor for a reason, to help people.
exactly, as you can see, I want to learn English, to travel. We're going up to a place. We're going to New York. It's a city. To America, a country. And what do we want to do? We want to study. We want to
Mhm.
become a doctor. We want to help people. Okay.
All right.
Could you read the next one for me?
Yes, I need to watch more YouTube videos to improve my cooking skills, to be able to get a job to be a cook.
What have you noticed here?
Well, again, it's helping me put the sentence together and bring it so it has a flow, and it's activities, it's places I want to go, it's things I want to do. A lot
Yes,
of activities brought together with the word to.
that is correct. We need, it is a reason. We use to for reasons. I need to watch more YouTube videos.
Mm-hmm.
Two, what's the reason? Improve my cooking skills. What's the why? To be able, another reason. Why? To get a job, a reason. To be a cook, a reason. We use to before a reason if it's going to a place, if it's doing something, if it's
Mm-hmm.
seeing something. It's a reason why we're using to in most of our English speaking.
Okay, well, I think that puts it into a great perspective. Next time I want to do something, I'm going to always add the word to. I'm going to school to get a diploma, to become a professional.
Yes,
Mhm.
what a small word, and we need to add it to our English speaking so we can sound more fluent. And it just, that little word makes us professionals and our speaking becomes beautiful.
Hmm,
Hmm.
very
There's a,
nice.
there are a few examples here, but there are many, many more to taste. Would you like to say a few, Sharis?
Okay. Uh, to taste macaroni, to
Mm-hmm.
have a good job, to belong to a group, to work hard, to see, to make, to go, to meet, to watch television, to say nice things, to think about my future, to see a movie.
Mm-hmm. Yes. And then we have our five senses to smell the flowers, to see the beauty, to see scenery in our lives, to work hard, to play hard.
Okay. And to hear good music.
To hear good news, to hear
Mhm.
good English. Mm.
Okay. I
And
think it's
how
all
are we
coming
going to
together.
hear? Yes, it is. English superteachers.business.site. I'm going to just stop sharing for a moment. Well, Sharis, that little word, I hope it sums it up for our students. And do you have a few words for our students today?
I would say that if you keep in mind reasons, activities, as Perini mentioned, this will help you when you want to go somewhere. Add the word, I want to go to the store. So I think that is a very helpful lesson, and hopefully our students will benefit from this, and it'll be easier for them to know when to use to.
I agree. I do thank you, Sharis. I think this is very important. And I think the word to, we're not really taught. It's difficult to teach. You know, how do you teach where to put that to? T-O. And I think that in our next lesson, that's coming shortly, we will tell you how to use T-O-O and
TWO.
that's our next lesson.
Looking forward to it.
Yes, I do thank you all for joining us this afternoon, evening, morning, wherever you may be. And if you liked our lesson, please press like, subscribe if you like our lessons, and subscribe so you can see more of our lessons. If you would like a lesson with us, English superteachers.business.site. You will see our website at the bottom. From myself, I would like to say bye for now. Sharis?
And bye from me.
Bye
Adios.
for there. Bye-bye.